Yeah! What are we looking forward to out here?
We're wasting time.
We're wasting lots of time.
We are doing nothing but burning gator gas and spending taxpayers' money.
And then maybe shooting some guns tomorrow.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Thank you, Uncle Sam, for bringing me out to Boise.
What I've found is that in previous videos, I can't really accurately describe what's about to happen in this video because I always edit it differently. So I know we're gonna shoot some guns from a Blackhawk. Hold on, I gotta introduce you guys to someone. This is Eric Sinclair, a good buddy of mine. Say what's up, Eric.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Tell us what we're doing here.
What are we doing here? We're gonna go shoot our M240s from our helicopters. So,
nice.
Yeah.
Is it gonna be cool?
It's always cool.
Awesome.
It's a blast.
I love you so much.
Why?
Because you're awesome. Eric's a good friend. He's a brother. What are you most looking forward to about this weekend?
Just shooting. Getting to shoot out of the aircraft. Been something I wanted to do my whole life.
Seeing some of the geography from the air, you know, for the first time. It's just beautiful.
Flying. I'm just here to have fun.
All the shenanigans, the brotherhood, the team. That's probably the best part.
Kill shit, set the range on fire.
What do you have to say to all the females out there?
Nope. We're going for a cow this year.
A cow, some beef?
Cow!
Blowing stuff up.
What'd you want to say?
Blow some up.
He can blurb it out, yeah.
He won't. It'll go right on Facebook.
Scaring all the old guys and thinking they're gonna get shot by them.
Shooting, obviously.
We're shooting things? Duh.
Starting fires. Lighting shit up.
I'm feeling glad I got sunshine in a bag. I'm useless, but not for long. The future is coming on. I ain't happy. I'm feeling glad I got sunshine in a bag. I'm useless, but not for long. The future is coming on. It's coming on. It's coming on. It's coming on. It's coming on.
Finally, someone let me out of my cage. Now, time for me is nothing cause I'm counting no age. Nah, I couldn't be there. Nah, you shouldn't be scared. I'm good at repairs and I'm under each snare. Intangible, bet you didn't think, so I command you to. Panoramic view, look, I'll make it all manageable. Pick and choose, sit and lose, all you different crews. Chicks and dudes who you think is really kicking tunes. Picture you getting down in a picture tube, like you lit the fuse. You think it's fictional, mystical, maybe. Spiritual hero who appears in you to clear your view when you're too crazy. Lifeless to those, the definition for what life is. Priceless to you because I put you on the hype shit. You like it? Gun smoke, you're righteous with one toke. You're psychic among no possess you with one go.
So, don't make this mistake. I deleted all of my memory card before coming out here. Forgot to empty the trash bin. It says the memory card's full, but it's not. I think I got quite a bit of footage. Enjoy.
Feel like the world don't love you, they only wanna push you away. Some days people don't see you, you feel like you're in the way. Today you feel as everyone hates, pointing their finger looking at your mistakes. You do good, but they want great. No matter what you give, they still wanna take. Give your love and they throw it back. You give your heart, they go on attack. When there's nothing left for you, only thing that you can do, say today live like I wanna. Let yesterday burn and go it in a fire, in a fire, in a fire. Fight like a warrior. Today live like I wanna. Let yesterday burn and go it in a fire, in a fire, in a fire. Live like a warrior. go back. You only live one life. Let go, let go, let go, let go.